Today we learn domestic animals names. So let's start the video. Dog. This is dog. Rabbit. This is rabbit. Cow. This is cow. Goat. This is goat. Buffalo. This is buffalo. Sheep. This is sheep. Bull. This is bull. Rat. This is rat. Monkey. Horse. That's horse. Ox. This is ox. Pig. This is pig. Camel. Cat. This is cat. Donkey. Hen or rooster. Duck. This is duck. Llama. Yak. This is yak. Pigeon. This is pigeon. Turkey. This is turkey. Chicken. This is chicken. Mole. This is mole. Hamster. This is hamster. Junior pig. Alpaca. Mink. Junior fowl. Parrot. That's parrot. Macaw. This is macaw. Fish. This is fish. Sparrow. This is sparrow. Deer. This is deer. Reindeer. This is the reindeer. Ostrich. This is ostrich. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel.